These are all the features when you're using the Fenix 7X Sapphire Solar. If you go back to your Garmin Connect and just tap on to your device, once you activate all the features, then these all options will be available. First option here is solar intensity, because this is a solar watch. So solar intensity means how much sunlight has been converted into power. Garmin Pay will help you to put the credit card's information into Garmin Pay, and through Garmin Pay app using the Fenix 7X you can make the payment. Of course, this is not a new feature. This has been there. But what new feature is available in Fenix 7X is the activities and apps. If you go into activities and apps, you can directly add the data screens, which is really cool feature. For example, if I tap on the run activity, first data screen is HR gauge, and then all time of the day, map, and stamina. So you can add other screens if you have added the custom data fields also, so you can do that also from here. If you have added the application, custom data field applications, so you can add that from here as well. Now, for example, if I want to add the run dynamics, so I can add the run dynamics. Now you can see here, this has been added here. And what are the fields? So these are all the fields which are available. So these are all the data fields which are available by default. So if I tap into this, you can see these are 4 data fields here, and you can change the layout from here. You can see here 6 data fields mixed and 7 data fields. Or so usually I like to go for the 6 fields mix. So you can see here now. So what is the first field is HR gauge, second field is distance, time, and all these will be done. So it will be immediately saved to your watch the moment you change the data fields here. So this is a cool feature here, and this was most awaited feature. In fact, it really helps you to have a better control. So these are all the different type of alert you can add based on the heart rate, based on the pace, based on time, distance, cadence, or whatever you want to have. And for example, if I want to have the heart rate, so I want to have if the maximum heart rate is in zone 5 and minimum is in low zone, or low aerobic zone, zone 2. So I'll be having the alert for that. You can also have your routines configured, that I'll explain you in next video. Important here is that whatever applications are already installed, you can customize those applications directly from here instead of going into watch itself. So from watch, it is not always convenient. So you can always configure the data fields from here, which will give you a better control over your Garmin devices. You can see here the map manager. This shows you that map manager is available on the device itself. So from device, you can download the apps depending upon your region, and it will download directly once you are connected on Wi-Fi. But here you can do other settings, like you can change the map theme from dark to high contrast, or whatever you like, or whatever convenience you feel, and show location, and all these, most of the features are available here. So you can make the changes from this particular option here. Now in appearance, what I see is difference is the glance, because this glances option was not available. Only watch faces was option was available, but glances you can change it, change the glances setting from here. So these are all the widget glances which will be changed, or which you can change from here. So this is a cool feature which was not available in previous versions, or which I have not noticed in previous versions. And these are all the controls. So in case you want to have the controls available within your Garmin device, so these are the controls. And in case you want to add other controls, so whatever frequent controls are usually available, so I'm adding that. For example, wallet I'm not using, so I'll be removing wallet from here. And I might need to add the altimeter, so I'll be adding altimeter. So these are all the controls which will be available on my device. So these settings can be done easily from application. So these are cool features which are available on Garmin Fenix 7 when you are connecting using Garmin Connect. Subscribe to the channel, use comment section below to give your feedback.